What's up, guys? It's Jordan J5 Alive here again, and I'm here with Fitzherbert. Hello there. So as you can see, we have returned to Ore Tunnel again, and 2.5 months have passed since we last came here. And it's changed so much. Yeah, they've added new stones on the sleepers. You can't even see them. True, the trees have been trimmed back as well, so you get a better view of the tunnel. Indeed. As a reminder, this is the longest tunnel on the entire route between Eastbourne and Ashford International. And if you're new to the hub, I'd like to explain the facts. The tunnel is 1,402 yards long, nearly dead straight because there's a curve at the end. Where we're standing is the only place where you can film DMUs because there's no infrastructure at the other end. And the signal that's on the amber aspect is the first Hastings signal in the eastbourne direction only. To remind the drivers, the single line will be over in Ore. And that is where the first DMU of the day is currently at the moment. There are a few new things we'd like to explain though. When I came with Bartemius and Xenophilius for the Minds of the Singers Using Musical Settings episode 4, I came back here on my own. And the sign that's on the left-hand arch of the tunnel, that is on the left, behind the signal, it says the tunnel is 1,397 yards long. But I don't think that's right. I still say it's 1,402. Do you say so, Jay? Indeed I do, Fitzherbert. Are you with me on that? Precisely, we've been used to saying it's 1,402 yards long. Now in the spring version of this video, we filmed 171.201 coming out and 803 going in. And then in the autumn version we did in November, we saw 809 coming out and 805 going in. There are just 3 more units in terms of 3 cars that we have not filmed. 804, 810 and 811. Do you think we might get all 3 of them today? I don't know, especially after seeing 812 and 808 at Hampden Park on Monday. I suppose so. And reminder, this is also the start of the single line to Appledore. A passing loop in Rye is where the other DMU, in this case the eastbourne bound DMU that we're going to be filming, will be coming. And as usual, when we're here, it's only us, so we may be the only people who have ever filmed a Class 171 here at the east end of the longest tunnel on the entire route. Please be a new face. Yeah, I want that too. We'd easily tell if it's 171.201. Precisely. Shouldn't it be around? Yeah, I think so. There! See it? Aha! Finally! That is definitely a 1718. Not 171.201. I think so too, Jay. What's good about this is that the train is travelling uphill, because where we're standing is the highest point on the entire journey. Should we stand on the bridge because that's easier? Yeah, I think so. That's better. Indeed. 1718 something. It's quite loud, this one. I know. Please be a new face. Yeah, I want that too. Are you 804, 810, or 811? Or is it one we're very familiar with? I'm not sure. Out it comes! Heading for Ashford International. Yes, it's a 1718, not 171.201. It is 171 808. X2 car unit 171722. We did film this one at Willingdon Junction and at Hampden Park on Monday for test film. So, at least we know what one of the DMUs is. Wonder what the others are. I don't know. We'll see in 25 minutes time. Okay, so 25 minutes later, nothing much has changed really. Just us, birds tweeting, water running. All that has changed, however, is that the signal has flipped from amber to green. And we're hoping that the DMU will be on its way soon from Ashford, heading to Eastbourne. Do you think it could be one of the new faces, Jay? It could be. Well, it's only been 2 days since we last filmed. Yeah, we might get the same train, H12. Or it could be the unknown that we didn't film at Hampden Park. I know. 808 we don't see that much of. 9, it's been mainly 803, 801 and 201. Do you remember when we had that coming to us when we filmed all 3 for the first time we came here and then filmed them all again in August? Oh yeah, I do remember that. At least 1712 and 803 had manners at St Leonard's Engineering Shed. Sure they did. Now normally when we come down here, I'm normally wearing my grey walking shoes, but on the last occasion I unfortunately stepped in some deep mud and I didn't want that happening again, so instead for today's video, as you can see, I'm wearing Pitchy's green wellies, surprisingly, and they're a bit tight because I have bigger feet than her, which isn't a big problem. Please let's have something new. Yeah, I do too. Now when we did the autumn version, the other DMU was 171807, and in the spring version 801. Let's hope for something we're not used to. Agreed. There's quite a lot of mud here too, though. Something that Garfield would like. True. He would love to come here. I feel worried to turn the camera around. Otherwise the train might come and I miss it. Do you want to share the secret of Ore Tunnel with anyone else? Only with the other members of the hub as well. That's good. Oh, I hear it! I hear an engine! So do I! It's coming! That is not 171201! Oh, damn it! It's another familiar face! The same one we filmed on this side last time we came here. 171805. Damn it. There's no need to worry, Jay. You're right. In it goes. On its way to Hastings. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the hub for more. It's amazing that you can see all the way down to the end. I know, it's a shame that you can't see DMUs going in. Because of the curve. A reminder again, 171-805 to Eastbourne. Blimey. Great view. Agreed. And there it goes, out of the tunnel, into the Hastings signalling area. So, hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time then. Auf Wiedersehen.